Sending texts from your computer is extremely useful and can save your skin if you happen to lose your phone. There are hundreds of online services out there that'll get the job done, but none of them are quite as simple and reliable as these three methods. First up, using your email client. If you simply want to send an SMS to any mobile phone, there's no need to use third-party services. You can do it right from your email client. Instead of using a service you don't know or trust, you can deliver a short email in the form of a text message by using an email to SMS gateway. As long as you know the person's phone number and the name of their service provider, you can easily find the appropriate gateway address that will forward your message. Now, if you don't know what mobile carrier your friend uses, go to carrierlookup.com to find out. Once you know the carrier, sending a message is easy. Just compose an email like you normally would, but rather than entering the person's email address in the recipient box, simply insert their 10-digit phone number with the appropriate address behind it. For T-Mobile, be sure to include the 1 in front of the number. Then hit send. This process makes it easy to send the same text to multiple people, since you can add as many addresses as you like to the recipient's box. But this method isn't without its drawbacks. Messages have to be under 160 characters to send as SMS. Also, replies will go directly to your email inbox, not your phone. Now, another method that works just for Android phone users is MightyText. It allows for text messaging on desktop machines through the MightyText app. To use it, first download the app from the Google Play Store and allow your phone to link with your Google account. Afterward, download and install the accompanying extension for your browser of choice, or just head to MightyText's website to get started. The sleek web interface will showcase a navigation pane on the left-hand side and your current conversation on the right. Remember, standard texting rates still apply. There are also a bevy of free websites designed for sending text messages from your computer to the phone number of your own choosing. Unfortunately, many of the sites require you to register for an account in order to use their features, or, at the very least, provide a valid email in order to receive responses. They're also lined with spam and may potentially sell your information if you consent to their terms of agreement, which you likely will have to do in order to use their service. Sites such as Textem, Send SMS Now, Text Today, and A Free SMS all essentially do the same thing, but should really only be used as a last resort. Proceed at your own risk. If you do go this route, you'll typically need to select the appropriate country from a drop-down menu or map before entering the phone number you'd like to reach. Happy texting!
Ground control to Major Tom. More like ground control to Major Soylent announcement. We have 2 excellent new flavors.